Some major changes are on the way for churches across the state. Today, California lifted all capacity limits on churches and places of worship, effective immediately. The move comes after the Supreme Court ruled the state could not enforce COVID-related rules that limited worship. Under previous guidelines, capacity for churches was based on tier level, which was 50% for the orange tier. Joining me now with reaction is Bishop Arthur Hodges from South Bay Pentecostal Church, and thank you for joining us.
You're welcome. Thank you for having us.
Well, does this ruling have less of an impact now that we are in the orange tier already, or will this make a big difference?
No, this makes a huge difference for us to have the restrictions lifted where churches can operate up to 100% capacity, as long as, again, they're practicing the safe protocols, which we've never disputed that, but it really does make a difference.
Do you have any concerns about the state public health department still saying, to use their words, strongly discourages indoor gatherings?
No, that's fine, as long as they're not restricting, as long as they're not arbitrarily regulating and discriminating against our religious liberties of free exercise. We're okay with that. We're okay with recommendations. That is not a problem. And some churches may choose to follow the recommendation and others may not, according to, what their resources are and what their experience is. But basically, now we're being granted equality, which is what we've asked all along, that when other enterprises are allowed up to 100% with safety protocols, churches should be given the same privilege.
The Supreme Court struck down the outright ban, but kept the ban on singing or chanting, as I understand it. And there are still some capacity limits, possibly. What are the guidelines as you understand them?
So the guidelines now from California is that there is a singing ban still in place, and we are litigating that. And of course, there's still the social distancing in place, and we are going to be litigating that. Again, we're okay with social distancing as long as it doesn't discriminate against churches. And now schools and colleges have been allowed by California for 3 feet of distancing. So we're saying, okay, if schools and colleges are allowed 3 feet of distancing, then you can't restrict churches to more than 3 feet as well. So we'll continue litigating that. But the percentage caps are gone. The numerical caps are gone. As long as you can maintain the social distancing standards and the other safety protocols, masking, etc., then there are no more capacity limits on churches as of today in the state of California.
And so what is the reaction from your parishioners? I'm sure you've heard from them today.
We are getting congratulatory messages and notes from many people, actually from all over the country. So it is pretty exciting. And by the way, I'll let you be the first to know, just about an hour ago, the state's attorney general notified the Supreme Court in our behalf on our case regarding their lifting the capacity limits. And that's because our case has a cert right now pending before the Supreme Court. And so they're notifying the Supreme Court to update that cert consideration. So this is big news for churches and religious liberty in California, no doubt about it.
Well, we certainly appreciate you sharing it with us live during this late hour, Bishop Hodges. I appreciate your time.
You are certainly welcome. Thank you for reaching out to us anytime.
All right. Thank you, sir.